Hello everyone, this is the Autistic Girl and welcome to another voiceover video. In this video, I'm going to make the mood tracker and the week 1 setup of the April 2023 bujo setup. If you want to draw the cover page drawing and the habit tracker, then check out the part 1 video. The link is in the description below. And also, in case you have forgotten, the theme of this month's bujo setup is the beginning of summer. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start by first writing the title, which is Mood Tracker, and making a border using yellow highlighter and black gel pen. Also, I drew a sun in the second page of the habit tracker, which I couldn't cover in the part 1 video because it was in the part when I started making the mood tracker and I kind of forgot about it. Plus, it's the ugliest sun you've ever seen, so there's that. Anyways, let's go back to the mood tracker. I'm drawing 3 sunflowers kind of grouped up together with leaves among them. I color the center of the sunflowers and the leaves, but left the petals of the sunflowers blank, in which I'll fill the color of my mood. Then I made a key as always. In this case, I took only 3 colors: orange, yellow, and light yellow. And we're done with our mood tracker, so let's move forward to our week 1 setup. Again, I'm starting by writing the title, which is week 1, and I'm making the same border for both the pages. Week 1's theme is based on hats, so I'm making some rough sketches related to hats. I'm using the highlighters and the black gel pen to make these kind of headers so that I can specify that this part of the page is related to task or for gratitude list or for the dream diary. Now there are only 2 days in week 1, Saturday and Sunday, so I'm making a sticky note for each individual day in which I'll write my tasks. I'm using my highlighters to color in the sticky notes. And as usual, I'm outlining my sticky notes and I'm adding an extra layer of the black gel pen so that it will look like the 2 pages kind of have a shadow. So it will give these sticky notes more dimension. Now I'm using watercolors to color in my hat drawings. I then took out some washi stickers and I took out a hat sticker. I pasted the sticker on a white sheet because washi stickers tend to be a little translucent and I didn't want the yellow and black gel pen border to interfere with the sticker. I'm still not very good at using the scissor and I didn't cut it exactly where I should have cut it, but it still worked, so there's that. And we're done with the week 1 setup. So now we have completed the April 2023 bujo setup. I hope you liked it and you liked the video. If you did, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out the description for more useful information and stay tuned.